Welcome back. Today's topic is IEEE 754 floating point representation. We will see how to convert a decimal number into a IEEE 754 floating point number in single precision format and also in double precision format. In single precision format, the length is 32 bit. In double precision, it is 64 bit. Now, single precision and double precision both are divided into three parts, which are as follows. S is sign bit, E dash is modified exponent, M is mantissa, same here. S sign bit, E dash modified exponent plus M is mantissa. Now, in single precision format, mantissa is 23 bit long, modified exponent is 8 bit and side bit is 1 bit. Now for positive number sign bit is 0 or for negative number sign bit is 1. In both the format, for positive number sign bit is 0 and for negative number sign bit is 1. Okay. Now in double precision format, mantissa is 52 bit long, exponent bias is 10 bit long and sign bit in both the representation is 1 bit. Okay. Now there are two type of representation which are as follows: normalized form and denormalized form. In normalized form, the binary point is just after first one of mantissa, and in denormalized form, binary point is before first one. So let's take an example and see the representation in both the formats. So the question is, we have to represent 1460.125 base 10 decimal number into a normalized form, single precision and double precision format. Okay, so let me convert it directly in binary form 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 .001 base 2. Let me check it. 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 .001. So this is binary representation of a decimal number 1460.125. I have converted it into a binary number. Now I will be converting it into single precision format and in double precision format. So let's normalize this number. So in normalized form, we will put the binary point after first one. So first one is here. So 1.0110100.001 पॉइंट हमने यहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर दिया है आगे. तो यहाँ पे हमने कितने डिजिट शिफ्ट किया है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. सो 2 की पावर 10. दिस इज आवर representation in normalized form. This part is our mantissa. Okay, and this is our exponent. 2 की power 10 is our exponent. 10 is our exponent. This is mantissa. So let's calculate modified exponent E dash. E dash is exponent plus bias. Bias in a single precision format is the length of exponent, which exponent bias, modified exponent 2 की power 8 minus 1, which is, it should be directly remembered as 127, and I will give you the formula for calculating in the later part of the video. So exponent in bias in single precision format is 127 and in this is 1023. Okay, so let's calculate modified exponent. Modified exponent will be in single precision. Modified exponent is 10 plus 127, which is 137, and let's convert this 137 into binary format. The representation in binary format is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, now complete representation of a decimal number into normalized single precision format is as follows. I am writing it here. The number is positive number, so sign bit is 0. we have calculated modified exponent, which is this. So putting it here, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. Now this integer should be kept it here. This is 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 and all leading zeros here. So this is a representation in single precision normalized form of this number. Now we will doing for in double precision format. So this part will be same. Okay, mantissa is same, so I am writing mantissa here. Let's first calculate modified exponent, which is bias plus exponent. Exponent is 10 and bias is 1023. So it will be equal to 1033 in a binary. Now let's write down the complete final answer for this. Sign bit is 0, mantissa is 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. I think it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Oh, I have to write this part and I have written this, so let's erase it. Mantissa is this 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so we have written it here. Again I am doing my mistakes. This is the block for writing a modified exponent, and I am writing here mantissa should be written here, and we should write 1033 here. So the final modified exponent in binary form is 1000. 6 times 0 1001, and then this part 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1, and it will be equal 52 bits. After that there will be number of zeros equivalent to this total will be equal to 52 bit long. Okay, let us revise what we have discussed in this video. Sorry, IEEE 754 floating point representation, single precision and double precision. In single precision it is 32 bit, in double precision it is 64 bit. S is sign bit, EDS is modified exponent, M is mantissa. For positive number sign bit is 0, for negative number sign bit is 1. Okay, in this what is this, single precision bias is 127, in double precision bias is 1023. Now number can be presented in normalized form and denormalized form. In normalized form the binary point is kept after first one, which we have done it here. The binary point is here, we have moved it here, and then it converted into a normalized number. Now calculating modified exponent, the exponent is 10, modified exponent is equals to exponent plus bias. So 10 plus bias in single precision is 127, it is equal to 137, and the binary conversion of 137 is this. So we have all the values, we have to put it there. The number is positive, so S is 0, A dash we have calculated is 137, and the value is this. We will keep it here, and then mantissa this part 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1, and after that there will be number of zeros which will make it 23 bit long. So this is single precision normalized form of 1460.125 based in decimal number. And now here we have also done the same thing, just a little bit changes. Modified exponent is equals to bias plus exponent. Here bias is 1023, so it is 1033. Converting 1033 into binary, which is this, because the second part is modified exponent, so we have written it here. And then the mantissa, which is this, and then number of zeros to make it 52 bit long. So this is how we convert a decimal number into IEEE 754 floating point representation in both cases, which is single precision and double precision. That's it for this lecture. We will see some more questions and we will see what is the formula of bias in the next video.